Hey everyone, it's Cajun DIY and we're making seafood gumbo. Uh, this is seafood gumbo with crab claws, oysters, crawfish, and I think I also put some shrimp in there. Really delicious and savory. I use the Cajun Trinity, bell pepper, celery, and onions. Make sure that you always chop up the celery leaves. They add a lot of flavor. I made a roux with about a half a cup of cooking oil and a half cup of flour, and you stir it and brown it on medium-high heat. You never leave a roux while it's cooking because it'll burn. So after it gets to be the color you want, which is like a deep chocolate, I add that Trinity back in, and then I add water to it. So you could start with, I usually do a little water at a time. Start with a quart. This is some shrimp bouillon that I added this time, and I always add some Cajun seasoning, but I also add garlic powder, onion powder, and dried thyme to my gumbo. Um, so then at the end, after it cooks for about a half an hour at least, I add in the seafood so it doesn't overcook. And I always top my gumbos with chopped parsley and chopped green onion tops. It just adds a nice little freshness towards the end. And I like pepper vinegar. This is potato salad, and that's very Cajun to serve it a little scoop right on the bowl of gumbo. You serve it with rice, and you just imagine how good that tastes with that luscious dark color. So thanks for watching.